The scale we aimed to work with through our intervention was the street. The street we chose was the Market Road right outside the Ville Parle railway station in Mumbai. The street runs perpendicular to the railway lines, connecting the station to MG Road. The station directly connects to the road through the footover bridge. This is a street lined with shops on both sides. To tackle the issue of overcrowding due to the presence of shops, two alternative plots were proposed as areas to accommodate the markets. However, since the ease of access was the main attraction to these spaces, those schemes did not work out. The shops lining the street vary from formal shops to shops selling everything from fruits and vegetables. These shops keep the street bustling with activity, making it a safe place for people to walk through. The street can be delayered with respect to the activities within it. First, there are the big shops housed in the buildings. These sometimes extend further into the inner lanes perpendicular to the main street, forming shopping alleys. Then come the fruit and vegetable vendors who occupy the footpath. They contribute to adding the next layer, a layer of pedestrians who occupy part of the road. The final layer is that of the vehicles on the one-way road. As part of our site study, we set up Google Forms with questions for the residents that occupy the buildings above the shops and the commuters who are frequent users of the street. Through the responses, we were able to identify the problems our intervention would have to tackle. The new module attempts to reuse materials which are already in use: crates, buckets filled with concrete for support, wooden surfaces, tarpaulin sheets, bricks, etc. were some which were commonly observed. We started with changing the orientation of the vendor modules to create pockets of potential buyers and freeing up the space for the people passing by also reactivating the footpaths. Vertical display instead of a spread on the road was looked up to increase hygiene and save space. Different variations using materials which the vendors are already familiar with, easily available, and don't require much expertise are used. The modules can be customized and changed by their needs. Keeping in mind the diversity in the size of the shops across the street, we wanted to make sure that our design wasn't a one-size-fits-all solution. We have thus worked out the possibility of 3 to 4 sizes. Smaller shopkeepers could start out with a smaller module, but also